All right, so this is saying a man of mass 80 kilograms is at an elevator. Is at an elevator. Uh, he stands up on a weight scale. Find the measure of the weight scale if the elevator is moving up at velocity constant. Um, moving down at a velocity constant. Um, moving C D E and F. All right. So let's go with A. Let's do first A. A will be, if you know our formula is Fn equals mass times gravity plus acceleration. Um, that's fine. Find the measure of the weight if the elevator is moving up. All right. So F of n is 80 kilograms times 9.8 because the acceleration is, so they're saying that it's constant, right? Velocity is constant. Since velocity is constant, acceleration is constant, so it'll be 0. When we do this, we get F of n is 784 newtons. So that's A. B, it's the same thing. It will be 784 newtons. So if it's positive, this will be negative. Forgot about that. Negative because it's coming down. So part C, it says moving up at a velocity of 4 meters per second. So just write that in our formula. Mass, gravity plus acceleration in our Y. We have 80 times 9.8 plus our 480. What's 30? What's 99.8 times 4? It's 39. 39. So it'll be 80. Why did I? So 80 times, what is it? 39.4, 39.2. So that comes out to 80 times 39.2. 80 times 39.2. 3136. 3136. So our F of n, yeah, F of n is 3936. Now let's continue to part D. D says that it's moving down with a -4, but either way, same thing. F of n, mass, gravity times acceleration in the y direction. So our guy is at 80, gravity is 9.8, but this time is a 4. Yes, it's 4. So 9 times 8 times 4, it's -39. So it goes 80 times -39.2. So it's going to be moving at -3136 newtons. So E, it says moving up with acceleration at -4 meters per second. So it's going to be the exact same thing as we did in the earlier problems, just that we just have to be worried about negatives and positives. So this one, normally your negative will be going down, but this one is going up now. So all that's changed was our values or our positions of the positive and the negative. But so that's pretty much it.